In today's video, you will see the best tips to naturally eliminate your double chin and improve your appearance. Double chin is an aesthetic issue that bothers many people. We are used to the idea that double chins are caused by excessive fat, but that's not true. Did you know that there are a lot of skinny people who have double chins? It can be caused by a lack of muscle tone. Did you know that? Watch the video being suggested to you right now to learn more about it. But now, let's see some nice tricks that you can do to get rid of your double chins and improve your looks if that's what you want. Have a balanced diet. Water retention is one of the causes of double chins. To avoid it, you need a balanced diet. In this case, talk to a health professional or a nutritionist. Add collagen to your diet. Collagen deficiency is one of those responsible for sagging skin. Collagen supports the skin cells, keeping them firm and young. Eating foods that help with collagen production, such as meat, green vegetables, and vitamin C found in oranges, acerola berries, and lemon, will help you. Maintain your posture. An adequate posture brings many benefits to your body and even helps hide your double chin. All you need is a neutral posture, keeping your head in a comfortable position, not too high nor too low. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. When sitting down, distribute your weight respecting your lumbar curve. If possible, use a cushion. Slightly spread your legs and keep your shoulders back. If you work in front of the computer, try keeping the screen at eye level to avoid bending down while working. You can also hide your double chin with some fashion tricks, like using V cleavages and keeping your hair at shoulder length. If you are a woman, you can use makeup to hide the area. Or if you are a man, you can keep your beard fuller. Pay attention to the suggested video at the end of this one, where we teach you an exercise to help you reduce your double chin. The results aren't immediate, but with dedication, you will get a thinner neck that will completely change your face. Add these tips to your daily routine and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.